In this video I am going to show you how you can remove the noise from the audio file during your screen recording or screen capture. This is something that I learned today and I am really excited to share it here. Camtasia Studio 7 has a noise reduction feature. If you go to audio you can see enable noise removal, but this function is not very effective. You may have tried it already if you are a user of Camtasia, but if you have not tried it, let me tell you, it does not do a good job. In this video I am going to show you how you can do the noise removal using a free software called Audacity. So what I have done is I have recorded a small sample screen capture in which I have recorded a test script, and at the same time I have recorded the audio in Audacity as well. Let me pull up my Audacity window here. There is a reason why I gave some gap before recording in Audacity. First I will tell you how to remove the noise from the audio file in Audacity. Before doing any recording, it is good to leave a 5 to 10 second gap and let the software pick up the background noise. So here you can see that there is some background noise because the line is not straight. If you zoom in you can see it very clearly. So the small signal that you see here is the background noise. So just select this part, go to Effect, click Noise Removal and click Get Noise Profile. Now select the entire audio, go to Effect, click Noise Removal and click Remove Noise. You can see that the noise signal has gone off. Now you can see only a straight line here. If you play this back, the noise will be reduced. But now I have to bring this audio file into Camtasia Studio here. So first I have to export this audio file into a WAV format. Then I am bringing that sample WAV file into here, and here I am adding an additional audio track. So the audio track here is just for the reference, and this is the audio track from Audacity in which we have done the noise removal. So now I am going to cut this one out. You have to lock this video one on audio one before cutting this one out. Now I can remove it, and now let me zoom in. So all I have to do is just match this audio track with this audio track. I think that's good enough. Let me just reference it with this window. I think that is a pretty close match, and that would be enough. So now what I am doing is I am removing this audio track which has the noise in it. Oops, the video has also gone. So instead of removing the audio track, what I can do is I can bring down its volume to 0 and bring this one up here, and now I have the screen recording with a crystal clear audio.